Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see and delete all your comments on Facebook posts. So let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on the activity log option. Here, tap on the Your Facebook Activity option. From the menu, look for the Comments and Reactions option and tap on it. Then, select the Comments option to see all the comments you have made on Facebook. To delete your comments, tap on the All option to select every comment. Once selected, tap on the Remove option at the bottom of your screen. Finally, confirm your action by tapping on the Remove option again. And this is how you can see and delete all your comments on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.